Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Katrina. I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist, and in today's video, I'm going to go over how to use a coregeous ball to release tension in your mid-back. This is great if you have a lot of tension in your diaphragm and abdominal wall, or just want to improve your ability to open up your ribs and improve your posture. So you're going to take this coregeous ball, which is nice and squishy, and you are going to put it around your mid-back. Now, what you're going to do is once you find a comfortable spot, you're going to allow your upper body to rest over the ball, and you're going to position your arms in a W position. So this is called cactus position. Now, in this position, it might feel a little bit intense because you are putting your body into an extension position. But in this position, you're going to try to hold it for about 60 seconds, and you're going to breathe in and out. Imagine expanding your ribs back into the ball. You're going to imagine your ribs are expanding 360 degrees as you inhale. And as you exhale, you're letting your ribs kind of slowly collapse, falling in. Now again, you want to try to do this for about a minute. Once you complete a minute, you can you can support your head with your hands and then move the ball up or down depending on which direction you want to go, because you kind of want to release different areas along your mid-back. So I'm just going to go a little bit higher, again, resting my head on the ground, going back into my W position, and really think about dropping my shoulders towards the ground, keeping my butt anchored and feeling that expansion in my ribs, expansion into my chest as I hold that for another minute. So kind of play around with this, try to put the ball in different positions, and after this, you'll feel a lot more open in the front of your chest. Now, again, this is great for opening up your posture. If you have a lot of a tendency to grip your upper abs or hold a lot of tension in your upper abs, again, this is great to kind of create length in the front of your body, in your frontal fascial line, and it just feels really great. So try that out, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.